Hi again, it's Leslie with Epilady, and if you are new to the Epilady Aesthetic, or if you just want a refresher course, I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to use. To get started, I want to put two AA batteries in the battery compartment located on the back of the aesthetic. Super easy to open and close. Next, I want to prepare my skin by taking off all of my makeup, yikes, and then cleansing my face. You always want to epilate with clean skin. You can see I've put all the hair I want to keep on my head back in a ponytail. I'm going to start by moving the aesthetic in small circles around the areas that I want to epilate, never holding the aesthetic still in any one spot. These small little circles make sure I'm getting the hair that's growing in every single direction. You'll also notice that I'm not pressing too hard on the aesthetic, and I'm really just rubbing that perfect angle guide that's at the tip of the aesthetic along my skin. I'm working anywhere I think I need treatment below the eye line, so this is not for use on your forehead or eyebrows. And that's it. Looks good to me.